Did you go all the way to the west coast and get skunked on the surf? MTM's got you covered.
All I need are some tasty waves.
Jeff, there are no tasty waves today. That's the whole point of this video.
Reach the wizard.
So what you need to do is head into the super cool town of Ucluelet because they've got one kick-ass skate park. The park was built back in 2016, I think. I don't know, I couldn't really find a date, sorry about that. But it was built by New Line Skate Parks out of Langley. They build some wicked parks. Make sure you check out their website and have a look. Link is down in the description. Now this park really isn't the easiest to find, so to do you a favor, I'm going to put the actual street address down in the description. Any GPS should be able to find it. Well, enough talking about the park. Let me take you there and show you the awesome time that my family and I had.